guys, I'm so excited for this weekend. I really need some time to just bring myself together. It was a long week, so I just got home from Publix. I only grabbed a couple things. Here, let me show you. I got some protein powder. This is my favorite. We usually get the vanilla. Last time we got Publix had buy one get one, and I got a vanilla and a chocolate, and we honestly were not a big chocolate fan. So I got some vanilla protein powder, some baby spinach for smoothies, some strawberries, mangoes. I eat mangoes probably like 3 times a week. Some oranges because Josh ate them and I was going to juice them with some veggies, bananas, potatoes, and eggs. I'm gonna put this away and we're actually gonna go on a little run. So hot today. I think it's like 89 or 90 degrees and it's going to rain around 2. So I'm just gonna go on a quick run, get some sweat in. Happy Saturday. Okay, so Josh is actually running a couple errands, so I'm quickly going to make the juice and I'll show you exactly how we make it. Let me put the groceries away and we're gonna get to the juice. This should make just about 2 juices. I'm gonna use 1 cucumber, some celery, 2 lemons, 1 apple, oranges, ginger, and then I put some cayenne pepper on top. I try to not use that many fruits because they're higher in sugar. So I'll usually use either 2 oranges and 1 apple or 2 apples and 1 orange. So this is what I have, and let's make some juice. Okay, so this is how much juice it came for both of us. I think it's pretty good. And then what I do is I'll put this in the fridge while I take the machine apart and clean it. It takes me like 5 minutes. And then I put some ice in the juice and put some of the cayenne pepper. Good morning. It is Sunday. It's actually 11:30. Last night we ended up going out and I just forgot to vlog. I did film a little get ready with me over Instagram as a reel, so you can go and check this out. I'll actually put my Instagram right here if you guys want to follow me. Josh is currently running a couple errands and I'm just waiting for him, doing some work. I have a couple emails to reply to, some social media work, and then I actually currently have a buyer. She's looking for a townhome here in South Florida. So the market here is insane right now. There's just like very, very low inventory. So I like to be on top and be on the MLS every couple of hours in case anything else comes on the market. I actually have a showing tomorrow with her. So just prepping for the new week. Another thing we're doing today is we're going to Target to get a vacuum cleaner, and then we also got a Costco membership, so I would like to check that as well. One thing that has not been a priority this year is meal prepping and just making sure that we're eating the right things. We don't really eat junk food at all. What I mean by that is we just eat the same things over and over again, and it gets boring. Happy Monday. It is 2:30. I am currently getting ready to go on a couple of showings. So I have one showing in West Palm at 3:30 and one more showing in Palm Beach Gardens after that. So I'm actually about to leave. Just gonna get a spindrift get my laptop. I do not, since I became a real estate agent, I do not leave the house without my laptop. I am ready to submit an offer. I want to be able to submit it ASAP. So I got my laptop, my bag, a spindrift. I'll just get a notebook and a pen, and we're gonna head out. Also, to getting used to driving in Florida, and I hate being late, so I always try to leave a little early. So even if I'm there a little early, I have my laptop, I can do some work in the car. I am a little early, so I'm just gonna get some computer work done here, reply to a couple emails, and just wait for her. The neighborhood actually looks pretty good, pretty safe, so I really hope she likes the condo. And yeah, I'll update you guys later on. Today was a long day. It's currently 7:51, and I'm trying to submit a showing for my client on Wednesday, but the seller needs to prove it. And I actually think he just did it. Oh, he just approved it. Okay, so I got my showing. So I'm pretty much done with anything real estate related. I'm not trying to work too late because I need some time to just unwind and get my mind just kind of ready to relax so I can go to bed on time and not be up to like 2 a.m. So a couple things I need to do. I'm just gonna make sure that I have everything for tomorrow that I need. One thing, I actually joined Jackie Kravitz's Sales Academy. It's called Sales X Training, and I like watching her videos in my free time when I'm cooking dinner. But I love her style of training, and one thing that I've been struggling with is cold calling and just prospecting. And it's not even just knowing my script, it's more like the fear of cold calling. So her training has been very helpful. And I don't think I told you guys, but I'm actually going to be on Miami shout out. They reached out to me, so I need to submit my answers to the questions with some pictures. And I think that's going to be for tonight. I'm going to pour myself a glass of wine, maybe read a book tonight. I actually started reading, I think I showed you, I started reading this book yesterday, Sell It Like Servant. You guys might know him, and I think I showed you the book yesterday. But I love this book, and here's why. I feel like when people get into real estate, they never talk about how they were in the beginning, and only when they're once successful. And I needed something to just remind myself that you don't start in real estate and start selling $1 million homes day one. So I've been loving this book, and yeah, just really trying to immerse myself in the industry in all the ways possible. That's my strategy. But I'm gonna pour myself some wine, gonna make some dinner, finish working, and then jump into shower. And I think that's going to be for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you. Let me know where you're from. Let me know if you're a realtor. I would love to connect. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.